So looking at the calendar, we just continue to review today. You guys at home, continue in the packet, work on multiple choice 5. And tomorrow we'll have a multiple choice test. It's open note for you guys, so feel free to use your notes and notes of anything to check as you go. Don't worry about the grade so much because it's an AP test, so I'll be able to round and score it accordingly. That's a good reminder for everybody. AP test, if you get a 50%, you're going to make a 3. So my kind of thought for you guys going in is, I hope you feel pretty good about half the problems when you finish. Like, I feel pretty good about those half. The other half, well, maybe you get some right because you're just flat out good guess, and maybe others you narrow it down to 2 and take your best shot. But if you feel good about half, you're sitting on a 3. And then anything beyond that is bonus into 4 and 5 territory. So remember that while you're studying, while you're working, and certainly while you're taking that test, is don't be overwhelmed if you hit a few that you're like, man, that is hard. I'm not sure what's going on. All right, I want to review something real quick before we start today's review, because this comes up a couple different places in today's worksheet, and that is average value. Do you remember what average value is? Let's draw a picture, it might help. So there's some random looking function from A to B. The average value from A to B, well, just eyeballing it, looks like it would be somewhere maybe in there, the average height. So it's the area divided by the width. The area divided by the width for the average value. And if we move things around, well, let's leave it like that. You can do the algebra if you need to. So the area divided by the width is the average value. And then the MVT for integrals, the mean value theorem, just says that somewhere in that interval, that C is between A and B somewhere. It may be more than one somewhere, because it could be like a sine wave or something. But somewhere between A and B gives me the height that's the average value of the function. So this kind of all goes together. The average value is that, but C is between A and B. And then they sometimes have you do algebra with this stuff to solve for different things, but you can handle that. All right, so that's just kind of the reminder before you hit worksheet 5, because there's, I guess, depending on how you count, 3 or 4 questions that have to do with average value.